see, Mr. Mitchell, Billy Mitchell.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Yeah, what case are you here for, sir?
It's William Mitchell, plaintiff, that's myself, versus Twin Galaxies. I heard the gentleman speak earlier about your bow tie, and I concur. Matter of fact, I have a West Point tie on myself.
Thank you, sir. Well, okay, it's number 17.
Yes, sir. I spoke with Melanie Griffith yesterday. She was terrific. I discovered this hearing. I would have contacted sooner. I discovered it in my junk mail. And the trouble that I faced is the entity Twin Galaxies, the last time they filed a real annual report was 2018. They allowed the corporation to go inactive. The address on Pine Island Road, nobody there would help in any way. But I came to notice that a little over a month ago, they suddenly became active. They reinstated it on April 17th. So I now believe that I won't have problem. And if I don't get satisfaction making contact there on Pine Island Road, then I'm told that I can serve them through the Secretary of State.
The problem is that the complaint was filed, or the amended complaint was filed back in May 2020. And the notice of lack of prosecution was filed in March 18th, 2021. And it required either record activity or statement of good cause while the case should remain open to be filed.
Well, again, the good
hearing. So, but neither one has been filed.
Okay. Well, the good cause is the fact that there was nowhere to serve. They had allowed the company to go inactive, and I believe they activated it again, as I'm looking on the sunbiz.org, in April, because they saw that you had the order on March 18th. I think it was in preparation for that, but luckily I did discover it. And if I could, just have you consider that, I will get it done. As a matter of fact, I'm in a position shortly where I'll actually get an attorney, and I know attorneys give you less headaches in pro se.
No, not necessarily.
Okay.
The problem, sir, really realistically, is that the rule requires that I dismiss the case in these circumstances. And so I am going to dismiss the case. I have to. The rule says shall dismiss the case. So I got to dismiss the case without prejudice. If you get an attorney can file a motion before the court, and I can address that motion.
Okay, without prejudice, does it make a difference that it would take it beyond the statute of limitations? And again, I believe they've done this on purpose, and that's why they allowed it to go inactive.
Well, see, the rule is designed for the plaintiff to keep the case active and moving, because the plaintiff is seeking relief from the court. So, it's been since last May, been well over a year. So it is without prejudice, and if you get an attorney, your attorney will, can do what he or she feels is necessary. I apologize, but the rule does state the case shall be dismissed.
Okay, right. But the statute of limitations would not come into play because of the without prejudice. Is that the case?
I can't tell you that, because I'd be giving you legal advice if I did. But talk to an attorney, and they can give you their thoughts.
Okay. Again, I would just like to say, for the record, we made every effort to contact them. We went by the address. There were people there. There was no one who would help or give any information in any way. And then suddenly here in April, they went ahead and reinstated their corporation. I believe, again, all this was done maliciously on their part. I guess we can't look in their minds to know that, but that's what I believe. And that's the position I'll pursue it from. I just this is not what I expected, to be honest.
I understand. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay, very unhappy, but have a good day, sir.
I understand.